Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY video. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a hair conditioner which can condition your hair during the winter season when your hair becomes rough, dry and brittle. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make this hair conditioner, I will be using fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, which is one of the best hair loving ingredient which is found in the kitchen. It has antioxidant properties which will work like magic on your hair. It is an all natural conditioner that will condition your hair like any store-bought conditioner, but without any damage to your hair. It will make your hair smooth, soft and frizz free. During the months of winter when your hair is unmanageable, the conditioner from these methi seeds will help a lot. So I am using 1 cup of this methi seeds. Next is the shea butter. Shea butter again is a very good ingredient on your hair. It adds shine and glow to your hair, make them soft and silkier, repays the damage. It can seal the moisture of your hair and protect from harsh environmental conditions. It will remove dryness from the scalp, make your hair smooth, strong and healthier. I'm using at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of this shea butter. Next is aloe vera gel. Again, you can use a natural aloe vera gel or this store-bought aloe vera gel. I'm making a cream, therefore I'm using this gel. I will be using 2 tablespoons of this gel. The method to make this hair conditioner is simple. I'll be taking a thick bottomed bowl where I'll be adding 2 scoops or 2 tablespoons full of the shea butter. This is just for at least 1 month's use of the conditioner, therefore I'm using this much quantity. If you want to make in large quantity, you can increase the quantity. After taking 2 scoops of the shea butter, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds into that, and I'm going to use a double boiler method to heat up all these ingredients. For that, I'll place a pan, heat it up and keep that bowl on the pan where it melts slowly in a low flame. Melting takes at least 5 to 6 minutes before it can starts to come together. Since it is shea butter which is thick at room temperature, it is always best to use this as a cream on your hair. You can also substitute with coconut oil where it will become a little bit less creamy, but it does the same work as the shea butter. Suppose if you have a very dry hair, then shea butter helps a lot. So after 5 to 6 minutes of melting and boiling, the oil looks, or the shea butter looks, melted shea butter looks somewhat fade green. Then it is time to remove from the fire or remove from the stove and strain it using a strainer. Just remove all the methi seeds which is there, because all the goodness of the methi seeds or the fenugreek seeds is now in the shea butter. This mixture has to be cooled for at least half an hour so that the shea butter can solidify again, and you can add the aloe vera gel. To solidify, you can keep this in the refrigerator to hasten the solidification process. Once it is done, you can add the aloe vera gel, 2 to 3 tablespoons of the store-bought gel, so that it is in creamy consistency. If you are using fresh aloe vera gel, the juice or the gel of the fresh aloe vera, then you can just add 2 to 3 scoops of the gel and do the same process. But that doesn't actually form a creamy consistency. You can just add it and store it in the refrigerator and use it within 2 to 3 weeks. But this aloe vera gel, the store-bought aloe vera gel, can be made into a creamy texture. It can be stored in a jar for more than 2 to 3 months at room temperature. Since this doesn't contain any water, this will not be spoiled. So the hair conditioner is ready. You can apply this on your hair after you have shampooed your hair and dried it. Take a little bit of this and rub it on your palm and apply all over your hair. You can just comb it and leave it as it is. Otherwise, you can use this as a hair mask, apply overnight and you can shampoo the next morning. It works well for all hair types, especially dry hair. With regular use, it will make your hair smooth, strong and healthy and shinier. So try this and see how it works for you. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, you can share it with your friends. And thanks for watching.